How to install mechanical pit dock leveler. All our employees are trained to perform this work properly. Worker safety and secure installations should be the top priorities from initial pit design through completion. By diligently adhering to manufacturer specifications, building codes, and proactive preparation, dock contractors can achieve hazard-free projects. All personnel entering the workspace require site-specific safety training covering potential hazards. Complete risk assessments must shape plans. As excavation begins, secured perimeter barriers, visible cautions, and shoring protections get implemented without exception. Teams will select ergonomic materials handling methods for inserting levelers with security checks before cranes activate. As construction enters completion, it is mandatory that multiple representatives verify structural soundness through pull testing and analysis. Approval. Even minor deficiencies or unsettled foundations pose safety risks requiring correction. Rigorous double inspections against the safety checklist and build plans will occur before the general contractor transitions handoff authority. By prioritizing cautious precision essential for protecting life and limb first, efficient mechanical loading access can commence. Prepare the pit. Begin by clearing the pit of any debris and ensuring its cleanliness. It is crucial to check the construction of the dock leveler pit against approved drawings to ensure accuracy and compliance. Prepare the dock leveler. Remove any bumpers attached to the frame of the dock leveler. However, do not remove the shipping bands around the platform lip and leveler frame at this stage. Lower the dock leveler into the pit, ensuring that the rear hinge frame angle tightly aligns with the rear pit curb angle across the entire width. Determine the required height. Use shims to determine the required height at each shim location. Measure the leveler frame height and subtract it from the dock floor to pit floor height. Add shims at the front shim locations to maintain levelness with the dock floor. Ensure proper alignment. It is essential to ensure that the rear edge of the platform is parallel to the rear hinge frame angle. Use a pry between the platform and rear hinge frame angle to achieve this alignment. Check for smooth transition. Once the leveler is resting on shim stacks, check for a smooth and level transition between the dock floor and the platform. Weld the rear hinge frame angle to the rear pit curb angle and tack. Weld the front of the dock leveler frame to the shims located under the keepers. Test for binding. Raise and lower the platform to check for any binding. If binding occurs, reposition the leveler and adjust the shims accordingly. If no binding occurs, weld all the shims to both the pit curb angles and the dock leveler frame.